So hello guys, this is Nilesh Kamble, and in this video we are going to see how to delete temporary files from Windows 11 computer. So to delete the temporary files you have to open run box with the help of Windows key plus R on your keyboard and then type %temp percentage. It will open temporary files. These are all the temporary files on your computer and you don't bother to delete them by using shift plus delete key on your keyboard. It will ask you for the confirmation and then click on yes. I'm selecting do this for all the items and then click on continue. It will delete all the temporary files which are not in use. So these files are currently in use and that is why it is giving me the error. I will try to force delete it, but still it is not allowing me to delete because these are in use. Then click on skip. Click on this icon here to skip all the items and then click on skip. So all these files will not be deleted because these are in use in some other programs. So this is the one method we can use. Another method is to use right click on the start and then click on the settings. In the settings, check for storage. Click on storage settings, or you can see delete temporary files. Click on this. Now this will calculate the temporary files on your device and it will give you some results and it will give you option to delete those temporary files from your computer. Let's wait for this to complete and then we'll come back to delete this temporary files. So you can see 1.43 GB temporary files are there. I'll just click on this and then Windows Update Cleanup is there of 2.59 GB. Downloads have 1.12 GB. You can check what are all the files in downloads and then if you are using them you can copy to some other folder and then again confirm to delete the files in the download folder. I'll just click on yes because I don't want to use those files. Then system memory dump files are there 930 MB and upgrade log files. So these are all the temporary files on my Windows 11 computer. So let's click on remove files and then click on continue because this will be deleted permanently. This is giving the warning message if you want to delete them permanently or not. Just click on continue if you verified all the files to be deleted from your Windows 11 computer. So this is gonna take some time. Just wait for some time or you just minimize this and then we can check some other option to delete the temporary files. Now third method or third step I would say, you can just open the taskbar. You just open the run box and then type prefetch, click on continue. Now you can delete all these files and folders. Now you can delete all these files, select all and then click on delete or press shift key plus delete key to delete them permanently. Press enter key on your keyboard and then these files will be deleted. Now if you have something in recycle bin, you can just open recycle bin and if files are there you can select them and delete the recycle bin as well. Otherwise the files are already deleted by this method because you would see recycle bin would also be included in this method. So now this is going to take some time and I would wait for it and we'll check if the temporary files are deleted or not. So these are all the methods you can follow to do. So one more method is there. You can open run box, then type percentage when dir percentage slash temp. So there is no temporary folder in Windows directory, that's why it is not opening. Okay, so these are all the methods you can use to delete the temporary files from your computer. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, please hit the subscribe and press the bell icon to enable notifications for future videos. Thanks and bye bye.